I hope you're ready for some awesomeness. Let's dive right in. We're going to click Create Design 1920 by 1080 or whatever size you need. And you have a blank palette to start working your magic. On the left-hand side, which you guys are very familiar with this type of concept, you have all your shapes, your text, millions of photos, your media assets. So for example, we also have a folder structure inside the media assets. This one here is Ice Cream You Scream, which is our local ice cream business. So for my wife, I would have all her assets in here for me to use on different projects. Your renders, which are your projects that you've rendered out. You've completed those. Our DIY section, which is awesome. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. Remove background. This is for our Showcase You, which is a complete training on using you in your marketing, which I truly love to do. And then of course, AI. Create your prompts right here. We'll get into that here shortly. We're going to dive into our template structure. Explore all. Over here on the left-hand side, you have image. Click on image, and you'll have all of our image templates there. Click on video. You'll have all of our video templates there. Every single asset in here, all the characters, all the backgrounds, all the images in here have been created with AI technology. Our team has gone in and made it work inside of our system, but everything is created with AI. Actually, let's go here to AI Human. So these are all our niches. You can see here, choose from the different niches. And all of these are absolutely 100% AI. So we're going to use this one with the kids and pretend we're doing like a holiday party for elementary school or daycare. Look at that, they actually look real. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click Save. Now this is going to go into my projects area for me to be able to bring back up later. I'm going to click Create Design, 747 by 556, Create Custom Design. Now I'm going to create it and I'm going to add some text, holiday. And let's have the party on my birthday, December 19th, baby. That's it right there. That's what everybody write that down in your calendars right now. All right, and then let's go ahead and make the background. We're going to click on the background and you'll see this is on the background. I'm going to click here and I'm going to make it red. Now that doesn't look good, so I'm going to make that white. Boom. And now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on Save. Now both of those, the asset that I started with the kids, and now this is in my projects area. So I'm going to come to my projects and I'm going to merge the two together. And I'm going to click on the project. I'm going to click on Modify Project. Click on the actual drop image area and you'll see it's blue. Come over here to my renders and my image is right here. So all I have to do is you'll see it's hot, like see it brighten up whenever I'm on it. I'll click on it. And there you go. Now I'll come over here and I'll click download actually. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that simple to create a mockup with our AI mockups inside the system. Let's do a video. Come over here, explore all. We'll go ahead and do video. And we'll do this penguin guy, customize. 648 by 1080. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create my design. 648 by 1080. Create custom design. Let's go ahead and do cold. Let's make it red. Let's center it. Right down like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come grab a shape. Drop that right here. Resize it. Change the color. Red again. And let's add text. By one, center it, change the color so it looks good. Let's make a date on there because the best date of the year is December 19th, which, wonder what's on that day. Oh, it's my birthday! And we're gonna save it. It saves it automatically, but I always save it again, guys. Save, 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 save. Click projects. Let's go to our penguin, modify project. Click on the image. You'll see it's highlighted now. See the blue? My renders, cold hard deals. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so simple. Now I click here. Boom, video, render. Now what's going to happen is we're going to continue on, but this will give you another green one when it's done and say, hey, your video's done, man. Come and get it. Actually, let's go to create design. 1920 by 1080. What we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to do AI. And we're going to do white sandy beach with the ocean on a sunny day. Generate. Now you'll see it's given us the different images that we can choose from. Now we can generate new ones. We can download all of these images, or we can save them all to media. So if I save these, all of this is going into my media folder now. There are videos done. We'll show that in a second. So for the sake of this, I'm going to go ahead and click on customize. It's going to drop it on here. Now, as you guys know, AI creates this at 1024 by 1024. So all I have to do is come here. I'm going to hold down Shift because it keeps the dimensions. Then I'm going to come to DIY. The DIY section is awesome. I'm going to click on our signs, our banners. We have all kinds of banners and we're loading more in all the time. This is gold, guys. What I'm going to show you right now, let me just use this one here. This is a first thing. Look at this. I can move this anywhere I want on here now, guys. If I want to, I can hold down Shift and I can resize it. Now, if I don't hold down Shift, what happens is it just distorts it. So I just hold down Shift every time. We need to make it look a little bit more fancy, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to DIY. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Home and we're going to go into Characters. Now you can come in here and we have all kinds of different characters. We're loading more all the time. Or I could literally go into AI and tell it to create me a character and then remove the background of that character and use it. It's awesome. Let's pretend it's a martial arts studio at the coast. Let's use the Dojo Masters. Okay. And we're going to put those guys right here. Resize them a little bit. Okay. Now that we have our character, let's go ahead and create our mockup area. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save the project. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Create Design, 547753. Add some text. We're going to do, actually, let's do photo real quick. Let's do martial arts just to see if we can get some sort of cool little look that we want to add in there. I think that's kind of cool. Okay, but what I'm trying to do is I want that, like that. Free. Okay, let's go ahead and make it on this side, like that. And then click on Save. I'm going to click on my projects. I'm going to come to my published. I'm going to come to here and I'm going to click on Modify Project. I'm going to click on the mockup area, come over to my renders, free month of martial arts. Bang, look at that. I want to do a call to action on here, so let's go like this and then put call. Move this right here and grab a shape. Let's go with that. Let's do this white. Now you'll see it's behind there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm going to bring it to the front. Okay, just like that. Now all I have to do is go like this and I go ahead and click download, open it up, and there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, completely customized with an AI background, AI characters. This was an image that I pulled in from the media, texted in there, and it's awesome. It's so cool what we have here. All right, let's keep moving on so I can show you some more awesomeness. Let's go check out the video. Published, cold hard deals. Let's go ahead and download. Absolutely awesome, guys. Let's go over here to create design. What we're going to do is we are going to dive into showcase you. Create custom design. This is all about marketing you as an individual, or you as the business owner. What I want to do is choose my background. I can come to the DIY section and I'm gonna go to backgrounds. If I wanted to, I could go to AI and have it create me a background. Remember, all AI images are 1024 by 1024, so I just bring it here. I hold down Shift and I resize it. What I want to do is I want to snap a picture of myself. I take a picture of myself, I click on upload, and I upload it in here. Just so happens that I've already uploaded one in here. You'll see this one here. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on remove background. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm showing you right now is gold for the small business owners. Absolute gold. Showcase you marketing is phenomenal. It really is. Every single business in their local market is the actual influencer in the local market. So I'm going to resize that just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, DIY, and I'm going to choose a sign. Let's go home. Let's go to our banner signs. All right. I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to resize it just a little bit. Movable and resizable. All I need to do is click on this. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click create design. 1031 by 748. Custom design. And then let's do photos. For the sake of conversation here, we're going to put this one in there. I'll make that white, of course. I never professed to be a designer. Click save. Okay, now I'm going to come back to my projects. I'm going to click on modify project. I'm going to click on there. It's highlighted. My renders. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go and download it. Bang! It's that easy, guys. Let's go to Explore All. I want to show you our DIY templates. Let's go ahead and click on DIY. These are so cool. So what you can do here is you can come in here to our DIY templates and you can change all the assets. So for example, let's go ahead and choose, and you'll see here, there's a pizza person in the background and then you have your sign. So let's just say we don't like this background. I could come to AI and I could create a brand new background. Okay, tell it what I want. It'll create me the background and I can drop it in there. Or I can come to DIY and I can come to our backgrounds and I can choose the backgrounds, or I can go to photos and choose a background. And I can go into it. I can go into martial arts if I want to. I can go into whatever backgrounds I want. And let's just say we want this one. It's going to automatically replace the background for us. Now let's just say we don't like that character. We can come here, we can go to AI, we can create a brand new character. And then once we have the character, we can go ahead and remove the background and have a whole new exclusive character for this mock-up. DIY, we're going to go to home, we're going to go to characters, and now we're going to find a different character. And let's go ahead and let's do this handsome fellow here. Now I have 653 by 774. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this. Here's 774. Boom. Add my text. That. I'll go ahead and center it all. Click save. Go to my projects. Go to published. Modify project. Click on it. My renders. Boom. And download it. Ladies and gentlemen, you see that this system is rock solid. It works. It's fun. Your customer's going to love it. It's a resource. It's a software that your customers can use today to grow their business, to grow their following, to get social engagement, to work with companies out there in their local marketplaces, to serve those companies and help them create marketing pieces that are unique to that individual business. Hit us up and let us take good care of your customers today.